passers, or also yung tinatawag nating can do a lot of things, can score and also can defend.
Naka-layup si McDaniels, but before that, there was a collision between
the tendencies, the strength and the weaknesses ng yung mga kalaban. Pero itong si Wright, nakakagulat dahil balik import na ito. Naglaro ito ng 2016 sa Governor's Cup wearing the jersey of Star Hot Shot. So dapat nakapag-adjust na siya maski pa paano dito sa ating
Norwood rising high para sa layup na yun.
And that's what happens if you're TNT, you gamble. Every now and then you're gonna lose. Available again para sa ating national team.
Eximiliano hitting from outside as well.
And that's a developed shot for Ping Eximiliano. We've been witness to his improvement. You know that you just have to keep on moving forward. Even in life, hindi pwedeng tumingin ka ng tumingin sa nakaraan. At yun na nga, buti naman itong si Troy Rosario playing at the moment, scoring his second three-pointer in the ball game and a total of 8 points for Troy.
Practically done. Labas kay Trollano. Nagmintis siya kanina. This time, sinigurado na.
Bilip ka rin sa kumpiyansa ni Trollano. Hindi niya iniinda. Shooter's mentality talaga yung kanyang pinakita ron. Dahil nagbintis kanina at ngayon hindi niya na pinahiya yung pasa ni Jason Castro.
Moving the ball a lot better than in their previous games. And they're doing an okay job when it comes to containing KJ and Jason. Pero they're hoping to sustain that energy so that they can further close the scoring gap here in the third quarter. Gentlemen?
Thank you, Carla. Well, defense nga naging weapon.
Import mo yung susi, pwede kang tumira. Pero ang mas malaking bagay dyan, as we saw, Aral Pagoy shoot from the outside and make that shot from the three. Yung bang if you're TNT, do you really need to double team James Yap? But I think they will try to make the necessary adjustments dahil they want to stay home on the shooters.
Coach, this is the second time in as many games in this conference na double digit si Don Trollano. 15 to 10 ang ating turnover count, 10 lang sa rain or shine. And because of that, dahil doon sa dami, mas madami din naman silang points of turnovers. Kaya lang many times pa rin, they still come up empty.
Because of their accuracy from the field, mababa yung kanilang percentage first 2 quarters alone. Measly. At di lamang yan, even our women's basketball, nadalo kahapon against India, so we will retain yung Division A status natin sa women's basketball. Pati yung 3x3 natin.
Ni Rosales, labas kay Rosario, and Troy bouncing back off the floor, knocking down a free throw, and then a three-pointer.